Are you looking for the best travel drones of 2025? In this video, we'll break down the top DJI models that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots while on the go. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Neo. This is a compact, budget-friendly drone with surprisingly good quality and a rugged design. Unlike many drones, it doesn't require a remote control, making it ideal for travelers who want quick, effortless video capture. Weighing far below the 249-gram restriction, it's extra safe and usable in more locations. The battery life is shorter than some competitors, but USB-C charging makes it easy to top up on the go. What sets the Neo apart is its versatility. It can be used as a selfie drone, controlled with a traditional remote or DJI's FPV joystick-style controller. It's also the most affordable digital FPV drone, compatible with DJI's FPV goggles, offering an immersive flying experience at a fraction of the cost of pricier models. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This packs big features into a lightweight, foldable design under 250 grams, making it a top choice for those prioritizing portability without sacrificing quality. Its excellent camera includes a remote-controlled portrait mode, perfect for social media creators, while 10-bit video caters to serious videographers. With GPS features like return to home and waypoint planning, plus all-around collision sensors, it's safe and beginner-friendly. A long battery life and 12-kilometer radio range enhance reliability, and it handles wind impressively well for its size. Opting for the Fly More kit adds a case, 3 batteries, and extras, while the RC Pro remote offers a built-in screen, eliminating phone dependency. Regardless of setup, Quick Transfer ensures fast media transfers, making this an ideal travel drone. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. The Air drone stands out for being lighter and more travel-friendly than the Mavic series, yet it's one of the most powerful options available. Its standout feature is the 3x telephoto zoom camera, great for creative video and surveying. The 1-inch CMOS 50-megapixel main camera provides exceptional dynamic range with 14 stops, while the 1x1.3-inch CMOS camera with 48 megapixel excels in low light, aided by Nightscape for better obstacle avoidance in the dark. With 42 gigabytes of internal storage, you don't necessarily need a microSD card. It also includes Smart RTH obstacle avoidance and impressive battery life, exceeding 40 minutes in tests with stable signals. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K. This is great for capturing impressive aerial shots, offering a camera similar to many cell phones, but with the added benefit of a gimbal for real image stabilization. This results in smoother 2.7K video compared to 4K with only electronic stabilization. It's fun to create cinematic effects like the droney or helix, which involve orbiting or shooting upward while panning the camera. Though not full subject tracking, these movements look fantastic on social media. Transferring content via the app is slower than Quick Transfer, but it's a relaxing way to copy files after a day of flying. For extended flight time and better portability, the Fly More kit is a great addition. Number 5. DJI Flip. It stands out above the DJI Mini 4K and other previous Mini drones with its improved specs and a new, more rugged folding design that protects the propellers with built-in guards. Despite these enhancements, it remains under 250 grams, placing it in the lowest weight category with minimal restrictions. This design offers a safety advantage, reducing the risk of injuring someone or damaging the propellers from minor bumps. Its compact foldable design also makes it travel-friendly. easily fitting into a pocket without compromising the drone's aerodynamics. Additionally, the selfie features are a big change, allowing the drone to launch from your hand and follow you using AI, making it both a selfie drone and a high-quality photographer's tool. So, which one's the best? The DJI Mini 4 Pro wins, thanks to its impressive balance of portability, performance, and camera quality, making it the top choice for travelers in 2025.